So we do have a tripod, just letting you know again, but always trying to do things with one hand, multitasking. Tools that was needed. There's a sale on the bag, so let us know, because if you do purchase it today, we can also offer you free delivery. Obviously, if you know, this is all jokes, hypothetical, and you will now see how the mics are being used to full effect.
How to videos link in the bio.